Good afternoon guys, this is Lee from Soul Sound Limited. Just giving you a quick demo of this new DMX5020 radio that we have fitted into this 2014 Kia Sportage. So you can see from the unit, so we've got the DMX5020, which features FM radio, DAB radio, it has Bluetooth or Bluetooth streaming, a single USB connection with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So I've just gone there. So we've got Apple CarPlay working, so you can use your maps, so Apple Maps, Google Maps or Waze, with a few other options as well. Text messages, and then your music, so Amazon Music, Apple Music, Google Maps, and then the telephone just simulates your phone. On this radio we have also fitted a reverse camera, so I've just popped it into reverse, shows you the reverse camera, and then also if we just select the AV, we've also got a front camera fitted as well for the customer. Thank you for watching. Any more information, give us a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching. Bye.